In this problem, or in this example, we're told that each of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 160 degrees, and we want to find out the number of sides of the polygon. So we need to start off by remembering that the number of the sum of the interior angles, so let's look for this sum of interior angles, is equal to the number of sides of the polygon minus 2, and then multiply that by 180 degrees. So now we are told the value of each interior angle. So each interior angle is going to be 180 multiplied by n minus 2, where n is the number of sides of the polygon, and we divide that by the number of sides. So now we're going to go ahead and just replace this. So here each interior angle is 160 degrees. 160 degrees is equal to 180 degrees multiplied by n minus 2 divided by n. And so we're going to multiply both sides by n to get rid of the denominator here. So we have 160n is equal to, let's put degrees here, 180 degrees n minus 360 degrees. So you can see here that this n is going to cross this off. So now we have subtracted 180 degrees n from both sides, and we are going to end up with negative 20 degrees n is equal to negative 360 degrees. So now we can divide both sides by negative 20 degrees, and we have n equal to 18. So this is an 18-sided polygon.